Well, good morning, all you little hamsters. How are you today? Thanks for coming and tuning into a new tutorial here. What we want to do today is show you how you can make it easy for your hamster friends who haven't set up their DID wallets to log into your sites. Right now, when somebody comes to log into your site, you might be seeing this. It wants to connect to my DID wallet. The only way right now to enter into the Hamsters page is through your DID wallet. Well, what if somebody doesn't have one? What I want to show you is how you can get your page to have an Auth0 login box here so that people can sign in with Google or Apple. Everything that I'm going to be doing can be found on this Arcblock.io document site, Configure Auth0 Login. It was written by our friend Lancelot. He is Mega Hamster. After you watch the video, if you want some text directions, I'll put the link up and you can go to this documentation page and follow along. Thank you, Lancelot. First thing you're going to want to do is go to auth0.com and make an account. Once you make your account and log in, you're going to have a screen that looks like this, your dashboard. You're going to have your dashboard. You may need to click on this box and click Create Tenant. It's your first time, you may have to do this. If you get this screen here, no problem, your tenant has been created. It's going to be here under Name. You'll click on that name. This is your tenant. You'll then click on Create Application button. You're going to give it a name. I'll call it Hamster. You'll select Single Page Web Applications and Create. This is so easy to do, and it really helps out the hamsters who haven't set up their DIDs yet. We know they will, but some just haven't got there. So we want to meet them where they are. You'll click on Settings. This is going to give us some basic information, your domain, your client ID, and your client secret. You're going to need that, okay? On this same screen, if you scroll down, you're going to find application URLs. What you'll need to do now, go back to your Pages Kit dashboard. Once you're at the dashboard, you're going to go to the configuration area. From there, we will go to Log In. Log in, we will go here to third-party login. What you're going to do here is enable your Auth0. There's a couple other options to enable just Google, GitHub, and Apple. Those will be different videos. Right now, we are wanting to find Auth0 and enable that. The domain, client ID, and client secret information will be found on our application details page from our Auth0 dashboard. Here, the domain, the client ID, the client secret. I'll copy that and paste it here. I'll copy client ID and paste it here. I'm going to copy the client secret. You're going to want to save that. For the next step, we're going to go back to our Auth0 dashboard. The basic information we have already used, we plugged it into our Pages Kit dashboard. So we're going to come down here to Application URLs. You'll leave this top box blank. You'll fill in this one here. Now the wording to your information, your callback URL is going to be different than mine. It's going to be https / the name of your site, hamsters.did.life. So your site will go there. Everything else will be the same. / well-known /service /OAuth /callback /auth0. Okay? Now, you write something very similar in the next box, https hamsters.did.life. Your site will go there. Okay. / well - known - service - OAuth / logout - Auth0. And then in the last box, you're going to write the name of your site. Okay. Now, if you followed all those directions, everything's set up correctly, when your little furry hamster friends that have not set up their DID wallet try to log in, they're going to see that connect DID wallet, but also be given an option down here. This is our third-party login information. So I could hit Google, log in with my Google account here. This is really about meeting our hamster friends where they're at. Not everybody is comfortable with the DID wallet. Not everybody is as adamant about securing their information. And so we meet them where they are. Successfully, I have logged into the Hamsters website using my Gmail account. Okay, I could go into the discussion page on the Hamsters, and I could actually partake in this discussion under my Google profile. So pretty sweet. Again, thanks to Lancelot for the awesome documentation. All the other devs up at Arcblock really appreciate you.